welcome to this Python series for beginners. In today's video, we are going to learn what Python is and understand variables and data types in clear way. Let's begin. Python is one of the most popular programming language. It is used in web development, data science, AI, automation, and much more. It is super beginner friendly. The code is easy to read and write. Python is used by big companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. Whether you want to build websites or AI apps, Python is the best place to start. Let's write our first Python program. Here we are using Google Colab to run Python code. It's a free cloud service provided by Google that allows users to run Python code in a browser-based environment. Let me delete this welcome Colab. Here text is used to write titles and headings, and code is used to write our program. First, let me write title Python basics. In code, we will use the print function to display a message on the screen. This line tells Python to show the text. Here we got hello world. It's that simple, just type it and run the program. Let's take another example. Here we got integer 1. Our next topic is comments. Comments are notes we add to explain our code. Python ignores them while running the program. We use a hash symbol to write a comment. Let me show you. Hash is used for single line comments, and triple quotes are used for multi-line comments. Here I'm using simple dashes as a paragraph. Let me write something. We can also use single quotes as a triplet for commenting a multi-line as a multi-line comment. Let me print something. Comments are helpful for beginners and professionals to make the code more readable and easy to understand. What is it? Let's run the code. Then we got comment as a output. We wrote single line comment, multi-line comment. They are not printed. Only which is in print statement, that only printed. Next topic is variables. Variables are like containers that store data. Here is an example. Use name. We use equal to assign a value to a variable. Python figures out the data types automatically. For string, we use quotes. Let me take another example. Here I will here we got a name and age. And our next topic is data types. There are four basic data types you should know. String. String is mostly used for text like names. Integer is used for whole numbers. Float for decimal numbers. Boolean for true or false. We know Boolean 0 or 1. Let me take some examples. Here I will mention which data type is this using comment. We know that comments are not shown in output. This is only to understand what is it about. We took example for string, integer, now for boolean. And for float I am using height. By using print statements we can print as a single and also two data at a time. Let me run the code. Here we got here I wrote two datas in a single print statement. Next, types. We can check the data type using type function. Let me explain you with an example. Before we stored data in a name, age, student and height. Using those we will understand what type function is and how to use it. In type function we will add the variable name. Here I gave age, then we got age is a int data type, that means integer. Let me see all variables to understand clearly. Then we got all the data types. This all about types. Next, now it's your turn. Try this simple challenge. It in Google Colab or any other Python platforms. Links are in the description, and share your answer in the comments below. I'd love to see your code. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss next topics. Thanks for watching and happy coding.